A man will do anything to make his woman happy. He will buy her expensive things, move into a new house, even leave his job so that she can have the things that she wants. And even though this is a noble gesture to him, it means little to her in the long run. And in this video, I'm going to explain why trying to make your woman happy isn't what you should be focusing on as a man. And that by doing these grand gestures, you're really hindering her attraction for you and sabotaging the romantic potential of your relationship. How's it going? Ed Baxter here from Genuine Attraction, where we teach men how to get out of their heads and into her heart and attract their perfect partner. So if you're new here and you enjoy what you're learning, consider subscribing. And hey, at any point during the video, check out the links in the description below. So let's get started. You cannot make anyone happy, much less your girl. It's kind of weird how us men think that if we make a woman happy, she'll love us forever and give us the sex and affection that we've wanted our entire lives. Unfortunately, it's easy to get obsessed with making her happy, and when we do this, we forget about our own happiness, or rather our happiness becomes tied to her happiness. So when she becomes unhappy, we get upset and get anxiety. When she gets angry, we feel like we failed. When she's sad, we assume it's because of what we're doing. We falsely think that if we have this perfect relationship with her, that she'll be the happiest woman in the world. And why would she leave a man who makes her so happy? But again, when we come from this place, we forget our own happiness, and so we sacrifice ourselves for her happiness. We spend money, we take trips, we buy her gifts, we change jobs, move to a new place, we hang out with people we don't necessarily like, and we go to restaurants we hate. It doesn't matter. She loves it, and so we do it to please her. What happens is that there is this hidden agenda here, that if we do these things, she will give us what we want: admiration, affection, love, adoration, and most importantly, loyalty. So when she doesn't do these things, when she doesn't give us what we want, we rage quietly inside. And she becomes even more unhappy because she can't understand what's going on with us. And we feel like we are chasing our own tails. So let go of trying to make any woman happy. Sacrificing yourself means little to a woman. You know, men think that if they sacrifice themselves for their woman, that they will earn points with her, and that those points can accumulate over time. That you can have so many points saved up with her that she'll never leave him. You see, the women I've known cared little about how much you've sacrificed for her. In fact, they start to resent the man for several reasons. When you sacrifice yourself for her, in the short term, she might like that you put her in such an important place in your life. But over time, she will resent the fact that you can't say no to her. She will push a little bit further each coming week, and you'll give up even more of yourself just to make her happy. But this is a bottomless pit. As you sacrifice, she'll take more and more. Many men don't know when to say no to her and find themselves giving up everything they love and sacrificing for her with little to show for it. These men think they are being a savior or a white knight, but really they are only killing themselves and enabling her tyrantism. You don't gain points with women. How she feels right now is all that matters. So stop sacrificing and thinking you're getting ahead, because you're not. If you're sacrificing for her, you're not following your mission. If you're stopping and starting your life and your desires at her behest, you're literally putting yourself and your mission in life on hold and placing her happiness as your mission in life and above yourself. Again, men love this kind of sentiment, but it means next to nothing to her. In fact, she secretly hates it. She doesn't want to be placed on a pedestal like this. If you can't even stand up to her, how can you possibly stand up to the world? And when you can't stand up to her, you look weak in her eyes and unattractive. Women need strong men, and when you can't say no to her, you demonstrate that you can't stand up to the world. If you can't stand up to the world, how can you fight for what's important? How can you fight for a promotion? How can you fight a bully? How can you fight for the relationship? You can't. You're demonstrating weakness. And though putting her first is appealing and makes her feel special in the short term, when you do it all the time and you can't say no, the specialness wears off. She will demand more and more of you, while at the same time becoming less and less happy. So if you're sacrificing your happiness to make her happy, she's unhappy that you're sacrificing for her. So now you have two unhappy people, but long live love. When you can't say no to her, she resents you just a little bit more each day. It doesn't make her happy, and it makes her secretly hate you. If you want to make her happy, make yourself happy first. I can't tell you the number of guys that, when making themselves happy and started saying no to her demands on his personal time, all of a sudden things just started turning around. She stopped nagging him and she paid more attention to him. Not only did he start feeling more free, but she gave him more freedom. You know, she will test your resolve. She will test just to see if you're strong enough to stand up to her. She might not even know why she's so irritated at you and why she's so angry at you. But as soon as you stand up for yourself and start saying no to her, all of a sudden she calms down and is happy again. You might feel like you are being selfish, and you might feel like there will be hell to pay if you do this. And there might be, at first. But this step is very necessary to get your relationship back on track, especially if you feel like you have to do everything for her all the damn time, and that she's the one that always gets what she wants. It's ironic, huh? You give her everything she wants and she's still unhappy, yet you still do it. It's not working, so just stop it. You've got nothing to lose. She's already unhappy. She's not initiating sex. She's not praising you as this awesome guy, and she's not being super loving and appreciated. So fuck it. Do your own thing. Make yourself happy first, and then you'll have more energy to be fully present with her. Follow your compelling vision first, always. Don't worry about her happiness. She is responsible to make herself happy, just like you're responsible to make yourself happy. If she's unhappy, it's her problem. Sure, you can listen and help facilitate her emotional processing of what's going on, but you can't make anyone happy, especially a woman. When you're focusing so much on her, you're wasting your time. Go and use that time to further your compelling vision or something that at least makes you happy. If you're following your compelling vision, you're moving places in life. And when you schedule some time with her, then she's actually going to feel special because you're not simply sacrificing your vision and dropping everything you're doing to do what she says. A woman feels special when she feels his purpose is so compelling that he must do it, and that she's able to, just once in a while, pull him away for a short time. But she wants to feel that he is compelled to go back and that he must leave her to pursue it. She must feel that when she pulls too hard, he'll resist and walk away. I talk about this specific subject in a lot more detail in steps 2 and 5 in the group coaching program. Click the link below and schedule a quick call with me if you're interested in learning more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and remember to stay unapologetically you. And that's a wrap.